How to delete message on TextNow. First of all, open the app on your device and log in with your account. Then go to your conversation and select the chat that contains the message you want to delete. This will open the conversation thread. Next, press and hold on the specific message you want to remove. A small menu will appear on the screen with different options. From there, tap on Delete button in the top right corner of the screen. After that, a confirmation prompt will show up asking if you are sure about deleting the message. Tap on Yes to confirm and the message will be permanently removed from your conversation. If you want to delete the entire conversation instead of just one message, go back to the conversation list, press and hold the chat and select Delete Conversation. This will remove the whole chat history with that contact. Keep in mind that deleting a message or conversation only removes it from your account and device. It doesn't delete the message from the other person's app. Now you know how to delete messages on TextNow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.